Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a new tax and create an item with this tax in the Slimrate POS system. First, go to the Inventory section. Then, open the Taxes category. Click the New button in the top right corner. A window will appear. Enter the name of your tax, for example, sales tax. Next, enter the tax rate as a percentage. Click Save. That's it. The new tax has been created. If needed, you can go to Edit and set this tax as the default, but for our example, that's not necessary. Now let's create an item for this tax category. Go to the Items section. Click the New button in the top right corner to start creating your item. Select the needed category. If it doesn't exist, you can create it right away. Click Add New, enter the category name, pick a color, and save it. If necessary, select a subcategory. Then choose the unit. Select the tax you just created. There are some extra options as well. Turn on variable pricing if you want to set the price at the point of sale. Use the EBT item button for products that can be purchased with EBT cards. Click Tobacco if the item is a tobacco product and add the required details for tobacco. Be sure to set the sale price. You can also enter the cost price for calculations, add a strike-through price if you're running a discount, and assign a barcode for the item. You can also leave a comment for your convenience. You can add modifiers, ingredients, and e-commerce information, but we'll talk about those features in other videos. Click Save and review everything if needed. That's it. Everything is ready. See you in the next videos.